video. After you install Scilab, you will have to install the X2C, the right X2C version. So in this case, you will have to install the version 6.5 3419 90 builds. So how do we do that? We go X2C. Then we open the LCM website. We go to downloads and we go down. We open nightly builds and we download the version that was indicated by clicking on it. It will download the executable that I downloaded previously. Then we open it, have the welcome, we will accept, we will select the Microchip components, and since we already have MPLAB, we will deselect the automatic download of MPLAB 6.0, since you will have MPLAB 6.2. If you already have the examples, you don't need to download them again. If you don't, then leave everything selected. After that, we click Next. We'll have to indicate the harmony path. For the harmony path, we'll have to open MPLAB and check where is our harmony path. To check the harmony path, we will have to go to Tools, Options, Plugins, and then here we can see the harmony path. I'll copy it and paste it here. After that, we'll click Next, add Scilab to the user path, Next, and install. Since I already have it installed, I will not do it again. After it was installed, it will be located in the LCM folder in our C drive. So we open Scilab and we look for the installation. Windows C, LCM, X2C, and our installation. Click Open. We go to System, Scilab, Scripts. We go down and we go to setup.ec. We click on it and then we right-click and click Execute in Scilab. Now it will have executed the script. It will ask us to close. We'll close Scilab. We will open it again to complete installation. And as you see, it will be completing the installation right now. After this is done, we will not have to do it anymore because these will always be executed at opening of Scilab. After this, we will go to MPLAB